Yesterday is my birthday and this is my gift. A whole set. Let's go see. This is what I get in my birthday. I buy this from Shopee. By the way, the holes is for the speakers. You're gonna put it. Yeah, it fits. Then another one is in here too. Yeah, that is perfect. This is how to open this. Press the button in here. Press it long so it can open. When you see the blue, that is open. You need to press it strong and long so that can open. The other one is the same thing, so do it. Guys, we're gonna make an SNR for this. So please subscribe this video so we can do that part 2 to open the speaker.